Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see bed tray designs. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. So, let's talk about bed trays today. Do you have one? Do you want one? I love having a bed tray on the beds in my rooms. They are different, useful and can be decorated to work with a bedroom. I love to have a table of sorts when reading or writing or even having a cup of coffee in bed. Bed trays are just downright fun. It feels so special to hop into bed with a bed tray. That gives us a flat surface to put a drink or a snacks on. And if you like to work the crossword puzzle or read or even do computer work, they come in handy. You can even put them to the other side of the bed for a handy extra surface for anything you need. You can't get better than a bed tray to add another layer of decor to a bedroom. I love that a bed tray can be decorated when the bed's not in use and amps up the fabulousness of a room. For me, the best reason to have a bed tray is to create a dignity. It's all about the dignity people, things, flowers, books, personal items. And if you are using a bed tray in a guest room, make it personal to your guest. Maybe a little picture of someone they have. Bed trays come in so many styles, so you can choose one that suits your needs and decorating style. Some have legs, some don't. Some have removable tops, sides that hold books and even cups of drinks. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your bedroom with perfect bed tray design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.